Hey traders. So many traders talk about the strategy to trade forex. Yeah, strategy to be successful in trading. Yeah, that's good. But based on my experience, based on my knowledge, based on my research, I found out um you need just two strategies. Just two strategies. Trust me. Let me just two strategies. Number one, a strategy to trade forex. Yeah, maybe that's example. We have the smart money concepts. We have price action, support and resistance. Yeah, and also the second strategy that I found that personally is your personal strategy. That is the strategy to survive trading forex. Because if you are trading forex with all your money, your last cash, it's very, very possible you blow that account. It's very possible you lose that money. So you need to have a strategy, a financial strategy to survive while trading forex. And how can you survive while trading forex? Number one is getting a job. Yes, getting a job. Many traders don't like it. That's the fact. They don't support this because they believe that forex is something that you just need to be at home, don't need to go anywhere. Yes, it's possible. But you that you're just starting forex, you that you don't have um very very big money like that, it's very difficult. It will be very very difficult. It's just the fact. It will be very difficult. So all you have to do first is to get a job. What? Why do you need a job? Because you have different expenses. You have a whole lot of expenses. So, and also you need capital to start forex, capital to fund your forex account. The more capital you have, the more money in your forex account, the more um power, the more buying power, the more purchasing power. So when you fund your account, if you get a job, for example, and you fund um your trading account, you won't really have this. You won't really be making this emotionally based decision because you know that yes, by month end or by weekend you are getting paid again. But you that don't have a job and you're starting and you're doing forex, all the money you are depend, all the money you um all your finances, all your expenses, sorry, depends on the money you make from forex. So you trade emotionally. You want to make money quick, and forex is not like that. What we call your trading mindset. What we call trading mindset. Many traders trade. They want to flip the accounts, but let me tell you, forex is not like that. You have to calm down. Focus on growth. Focus on growing your account, not flipping your account. Because once you want to flip your account, you end up blowing the account. I don't want this video to be long. I'll do the part two of this video. And also, you actually need you can't do this alone. You need mentorship. You need people around you that can advise you, people that can show you the way. And that's why Decliff is here for you. You can go to our bio. I don't know. There might be a link to this video in the description if it's on YouTube. Yes, if it's on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media platform, you have to go to our bio and click the link. You join the Forex community. If you want to have a one-on-one chat, it's here for free. Yes, I mean it for free. So make sure you join and stay tuned for the part two of this video.